Okay, welcome back. Now I want to continue with level 3 NVQ diploma in installing electrotechnical systems and equipment. Okay, level 3. And again, this is still unit 305. Okay, it's quite a large unit indeed. Okay, and we're going to be looking at session 12, tools. Okay, you should all be familiar with your tools by now. Okay, and I'm sure each of you can now handle your tools quite adequately. Okay, no more to do on this. You've seen this enough of this already. Okay, right. Okay, thank you. Here, state the procedures for selecting and safely using hand tools, power tools, and adhesives for electrical installation work. State the procedures for selecting and safely using, measuring, and marking out tools. Okay, make sure that it's in view. Okay. Okay. Okay, there's not much for me to say on this. Okay, this you're all familiar with this by now, so I don't really need to take too long on this. Okay, machinery and equipment. Okay. Okay. And here's your tools that you're all familiar with and should know by now how to handle, use, and apply safety purposes. Okay. Okay. Now you see here that they've crossed out the Stanley knife. Many have used Stanley knives, but these are frowned on as they are so sharp. Okay. Obviously, you do need a sharp tool, but be aware that Stanley knife can be dangerous in itself. Okay. And again, I'm just going to make sure you're going to be going. You can get a few of these. Okay. Okay. You would have all used these already. Don't need any introduction to them at all, especially to the DeWalt. You know how expensive DeWalts are and so forth. Spanners, wrenches, okay. Sockets, box spanners, so forth. Okay. Sorry about that. Chisels, both types for wood and for concrete. Okay. Files and so forth. Okay. Again. Crimping tools. And adhesive. Okay. This used to be Evo-Stik glue at one time, but Evo-Stik glue was so nice that youngsters began to use it inadvertently for the wrong purpose. Okay, so they had to change it. You cannot buy Evo-Stik glue now. Very nice glue indeed. Okay, rulers. Okay. Again, this is for you to read yourselves. I don't need to read it out to you. Okay. Measuring, implement, tape measures. Spirit levels, various kinds. Okay. And again, it's telling you about the dangers here. Plumb lines. Okay. Oh, I call them. We call them plumb bobs. Test equipment. Okay. Multi-choice questions. Okay. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.